This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning end, as in the end, as in the end of a movie, for example. That's the word you would see at the end of a movie if it's written in French, so it means the end. How do you pronounce it? In France, it is said as fin, fin. Yes, it's a very specific sound in French, fin. There's no really way to say it in English, or you could say fin, fin, but yeah, fin. That's how you want to say it. I generally try to give you an easy pronunciation in English. There's really not any here. Fin. You want to say it, and that's pretty much it. Now you know, I hope. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't obvious, useful French names, brand names, cooking terms whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.